Hello guys and welcome back to your channel I Love 164. So today we are doing the unboxing for these two mini GTs. They are latest. They just came out and it was a mix of 5-6 cars, but these are the two I like the most. So I'm going to show you guys this one first and then we will open the Maybach. So let's get this open. I'm sure you guys would be able to listen me more clean and clear now because I have got a new setup for my phone to make videos so that you can hear me loud and clear. And here is your beautiful BMW. Look at that. Here's your base, threaded tires and everything, but look at this. I have seen a lot of videos of this and photos, but trust me guys, they are not doing justice to this masterpiece. Let's have a closer look on the turntable. Okay, so I really like the color of this car. It's silver metallic. I like the tail lights, the exhaust details, the BMW logo on the side, on the back. On the rims, it's a 5-spoke, 10-spoke, 5-star rims, and they look super cool. And you can see the front and the focus lights on the front. It is so well detailed for 164 car at this price range. Man, you can see the interior, the steering wheel, the rear view, everything is so detailed, and this is such an amazing car to have in your collection at such a low price range. I mean, really, Mini GT literally nailed it. And before we move to the Mercedes, let's see if it rolls well or not. Yeah, it rolls really well and looks so beautiful. Man, if you have not get this your hand on this one, you should. Doesn't matter if you are a BMW fan or not. And now let's open this Mercedes. So by the time I'm making this video and going to put this on YouTube, there is another mix released in international market, and the Huracan in that is quite hyped. Damn good. This is so clean and it looks so amazing. Here's your base with all the details and threaded tires. Honestly, I don't buy simple kind of stuff, stock stuff, either it's Mercedes or any other car or Audis, but from the very beginning I had this feeling that this car is going to be amazing, and I bought it and I'm happy. This is so damn good. Let's put this here on the turntable and let's park our BMW here. Let's have a closer look. I do not have many stock cars in my collection when it comes to stock cars only. I have another Mercedes from the tarmac. It's S-Class, I think. Yeah, white S-Class. But this thing is something unique. Look at those wheels. The grille, the front light, the emblem of Mercedes. Man, the color is so sleek, black, and the trim on the windows, the silver trim, the lining on the back, the chrome work and the exhaust. Damn good. And you can see the Maybach logo on the side as well, above the fuel tank filler. Literally, Mini GT nailed these two cars this time. The BMW that I showed you and this Mercedes. I love both of them. You should buy that. So that was your showcase for today. Let me know in the comments, guys, which of these two is your favorite. Actually, I will not choose any of these two because I like both of them only out of the mix of 6. So that's why I buy them. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.